Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Bago pong lahat, Leo, binabati ko po kayo ng Happy 2024 at naging masaya po sana at naging masagana ang inyong pagdiriwang ng ating pagpasok po ng bagong taon. At kung saan mang party po kayo ng mundo, pinagdarasal ko po na maging masagana po ang inyong buong 2024. Okay? So, tignan po natin kung ano yung mensahe na mapipick up natin para sa January 2024 reading. I can't do this right now. Drugs and alcohol. Why is it that you love me? Okay, Leo. So, yung message dito kasi is, I could see that somehow your person or you, take it as it resonates, bisyo. Okay? Merong ginagawa na not pleasant at all. Kasi to a point na if you are dealing with alcohol and maybe drugs, syempre, hindi yun mabuti sa ating katawan. Kaya kung gaba parang you could actually say to yourself na hindi ka totally cleaned up, no? Kasi parang you're so dependent with this type of drinking or this type of vices para lang to get through every day, alam mo yun? Kaya to a point na minsan, kina-question mo na bakit mo nga ba mahal ako? Alam mo naman na meron akong kapalpakan sa buhay. Meron akong addiction. Kasi drugs and alcohol could be an addiction. You know, kung ba parang hindi ko maintindihan bakit you still love me. Or you have this feeling for me. Kung ba you see yourself to be not totally capable or fit to be loved. Parang ganun yung dating, di ba? So, tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano yung message na mapipick up natin. We have the 7 of Cups, the 5 of Swords, the Magician, the King of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. Bottom niya, Leo, is the Queen of Wands. Yung Queen of Wands kasi, this is an fire sign, rather. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, which is you, no? Basically, ikaw, Leo. Ikaw to eh. This is your energy. Somebody na talagang masayahin, no? This is the sun. This is you, Leo. You want to be always happy, always on the go, creative, energetic, beautiful, charming, passionate, yung mga ganon. And ayaw mo kasi ng regrets, no? You don't want any regret at all. Ayaw mo na maramdaman yan. Kasi syempre, parang hindi of like being a Leo, no? Kasi Leo are really very proud people. Tapos magkakaroon ka ng parang regret as if you didn't use your logic very well, no? Parang hindi mo ginamit mabuti. As much as possible, you don't want any regrets at all. Diba? Gusto mo lang ganyan, masaya. No? Walang regret. And the way I see it, kasi ito yung Nine of Pentacles, you're better off being just single. You know, doing everything on your own, independent, kaya mo kahit wala sila, basta ikaw, okay ka mag-isa. You can do everything on your own. You don't need anybody. And it makes you happy, no? Masaya ka talaga with the Ten of Cups. You're happy being by yourself, expressing yourself, no? Masaya ka. Hanggang ba kontento ka on your own. Now, yung first card mo dito, Seven of Cups. Dati siguro nun, medyo hindi mo alam kung anong gusto mo. You don't know what you want. You're still having difficulty choosing, trying to make the decision, which one, who, is this the best choice? Yung mga ganon. Dami mong tanong. Hindi ka makadecide, hindi ka makapili. Pumili ka man, parang, meron pang iba Meron pa akong pagkakataong pumili pa ng iba. Ang nahihirapan ka nga kasi, if you are provided with so much things, a lot of things to think about, nakaka-confuse yun, nakakagulo, di ba? Pag marami kang nakikitang pagpipilian, marami kang naiisip, maraming pumapasok sa isipan mo na mas lalong, imbes na makatulong, lalong nakakagulo. Kaya ang kailangan mo is to manifest, to pray, to really, think carefully what exactly you want to do. And of course, yung intention na to is something na yung gusto mong gawin is something that you really love, something that's very close to your heart. Yung talagang love na love mong gawin. And you could find stability by doing that. Hindi lang stability, but it brings you also the money, the resources, the popularity, stableness, mga ganon. Kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin. If you are really focused on something that that you love to do, definitely getting into a relationship is not the right time. Kasi magfo-focus ka maigi sa gusto mong gawin So, Seven of Cups. Bakit andito siya? Bakit andito yung Seven of Cups? We have a jumping card, the Chariot. The King of Wands. And the Five of Pentacles. Yung dito, yung Seven of Cups natin na marami kang choices. You wanted to move forward, Gusto mong gusto mo nang umusad. In other words, gusto mo ng development to really succeed, to do good at what you're doing. At ayaw mong pakiramdam na nabaliwala ka, nabaliwala yung efforts na binigay mo. Yung efforts na binigay mo, ayaw mo yon. No, you don't want to feel that you are not given the proper recognition or yung importance sa na ibigay mo ng output. Kasi kung magulo nga, 'di ba? Magulo yung pili ka ng pili or ang dami mong choice. Once nakapili ka na, kung ba parang ito ngayon yung opportunity na yung napili ko, gusto ko talaga mag-move forward na ako. And I will work very hard for it to make sure na hindi mababaliwala nga yung effort na yun. Okay? Now, with the Five of Swords, bakit andito yung Five of Swords? We have Judgment, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. Kasi the more nga you're given the option, the more that you are getting confused what to think. That is why you need to make that decision. Kailangan desisyonan mo na to. Kahit naguguluhan ka o nahihirapan ka. Because nakasalalay dito yung future mo. Yung happiness mo. Yung kung ano na magiging outcome nito sa pagdating ng panahon. And it has something to do with the love that's being offered to you. Leo, yung offer ng love na to. O somebody would offer a love, o somebody would propose, or sabihin natin na somebody will let you know exactly how they feel about you. No? Siguro yung person mo before had a choice and doesn't know what to do. Now, nagkaroon na siya ng opportunity to think about this. Nakapili na siya kung anong gagawin niya. And once naka-decide na siya, gusto niyang maging mabilis na yung pagiging outcome nito, ng kanyang desisyon. Na para ipakita sa'yo na sana mabigyan ng halaga yung paggagawa niya ng effort. Yung effort na sinasabi ko dito is about letting you know exactly how this person feels towards you, Leo. Now, bakit andito yung Magician? Bakit andito yung Magician? We have the Two of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Six of Cups. What you've been praying for or manifesting, Leo, is to find the love of your life, the one, the person that would truly loves you, o yung makakasama mo for the rest of your life, that alam mong bibigyan mo ng importansya yung love offer na ibibigay niya at hindi mo babaliwalain. Kasi you know this person is somebody from your past that will be coming back for you. No, this Two of Cups, this person that truly loves you is somebody from your past na may kilala mo na siya noon pa, or you have a history with, or this might be somebody from your past life. But what is important is babalik siya. This person will come back to you to propose that love No, yung love offer na bibigay mo noon, bibigay din niya ngayon. Okay? You've been manifesting that. Now, at andito yung King of Cups. We have the Seven of Swords, the Eight of Swords, and the Moon. Itong King of Cups, the love that you are looking for, the love that you wanted, is something na kung yung before, hindi ka naging honest, you didn't specify or you didn't say exactly how you feel, kung ba tinago mo to, yung pagmamahal na yon, hindi ka naging honest, you kept yourself secluded or blinded the fact na may mahal mo siya, no? Kinubli mo talaga, tinago mo. Hindi mo binigyan ng pagkakataon ito ay masabi o ma-express o ipahiwatig, ipaalam do sa tao mo, sa person mo. Which makes it, with the moon, this is an energy coming from a Pisces, na parang mysterious tuloy yung dating. Mahiwaga, malabo, hindi mo maintindihan, confusing. Ito yung card natin, di ba? We started with the Seven of Cups, confusing, magulo. Kasi nga, hindi ka naging tapat, hindi ka nagsabi agad, nilihim-lihim mo to. It was a secret that you kept in your heart. Bakit andito yung King of Pentacles? Bakit andito yung King of Pentacles? We have the Nine of Cups, the Three of Swords, and the Hierophant. Yung outcome is somebody that you wanted. Stable, secure, grounded, responsible, loving, with the King of Pentacles. This is an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. This is what you wanted, Leo. And it will be a wish fulfillment for you kung magiging kayo o makita mo yung isang tao na katulad nito. Sana huwag ka ma-broken heart this time. Sana nga talagang magiging maligaya na ako sa piling niya at hindi na ako malulungkot o masasaktan. At magtutuloy-tuloy na ito sa isang relasyon, sa isang relationship, and eventually we get married. Settle down with the Hierophant. Okay? Ito, ang tanong na to, na why do you love me? Nagiging question ng person sa'yo kasi hindi ka nga nagsabi kaagad eh. Nilihim mo yung pakiramdam mo dito. Kaya tuloy nagtataka siya, bakit mo ako mahal? Yung gaba parang out of the blue kasi nagulat na lang na, may pagtingin pala to sa akin. Gusto pala ako nito. Ba't ngayon lang niya sinabi? Diba? Is it yung person mo have the tendency to be alcoholic also? Kung gaba, may addiction eh, kung gaba, may sinasabi dito eh. Not necessarily drugs, but maybe alcoholic, o mainom, matoma, umiinom, mga tipong ganon. Na to a point na nasasabi talaga niya sa sarili niya, hindi ko gagawa ito ngayon. I cannot get myself involved with someone. Hindi eh. Kasi maybe because your person needs to clean up. No? Linisin muna niya yung sistema niya. Alsin niya to. Itong addiction na to. Once na clean up niya yung sarili niya, that's the time siguro na, yun, kaya niya na ngayon magsabi. Kaya niya na ngayon magsabi kung ano yung talagang nasa loobin niya. Kasi alam niya na worthy siya dito sa person na to. Kasi minsan, di ba, parang, kung ka ba parang nakikimika na magsabi o mag-move forward o magpaalam, hindi paalam, hindi ipaalam do sa person na may gusto ka o manligaw ka. Kasi di ba nakikita mo minsan na meron ka rin kamalian. Marami ka ring fault sa sarili mo. You're not kung ba presentable, you're not in a position na you're financially secure. Ang career mo is petiks lang. So you see yourself na talagang kung tatapatan mo yung person na may gusto ka, karapat dapat ba ako dito? Itong person ko maayos, healthy living, matino, maganda trabaho, kahit papano may pera. Diba? Kung i-compare mo sa sarili mo na may addiction, as if parang kine-question pa yung confidence mo, 'di ba? Hindi mo talaga magagawa yan ngayon. That's why you need to, manifest this. Do that manifestation, no? Yung pagdasal mo na maayos ko yung sarili ko. Maayos ko, makita ko yung tamang tao para sa akin. Maybe that would push you to do better with your life. Tignan natin kung ano yung message para sa'yo. Last quarter moon in Gemini, speak your world into being. New moon in Pisces, attune to the divine. And last quarter moon in Scorpio, release your blocks. Ang importante dito, of course, is huwag niyong kakalimutan ng Diyos, no? Kung may mga doubts kayong ganyan, you want all these addictions to be removed or ma-clean up ka, you talk to God. Ask God to help you para maayos mo yung sarili mo. Okay, so tingnan natin yung timing dito. Kasi ang ano dito, I can't do this right now. So, kailan niya magagawa ito? Kailan magagawa ito? Summertime. Okay, so, alam niyo naman kung kailan ang summertime dito sa atin. Nag-uumpisa yan normally April, May, June, no? Yung mga ganung buwan. Now, let us see. Yung person or something just like to give you an idea kung ano yung itsura ng person mo. Slim. Mahaba ang buhok. Maganda or gwapo. May katungkulan sa trabaho. Matulungin. Matanda sa'yo. Okay. So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo, Leo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod pumili, ingat ka and God bless.